What's going on, guys? Francis here. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer funds out of your Binance futures account. So it's quite tricky, so stick with me. Click on wallets, click on futures at the top, click on transfer. As you can see, I have $10 in USDT on my futures account. This is what I use for trading and all that. So I just deposited this to trade. But I want to withdraw this money into my spot wallet. So how do I go about that? I click on transfer, because you need to transfer to your spot wallet to enable you withdraw the funds out of Binance. So now, as you can see, you can only see from spot wallet to USD futures wallet. But if you click on from, you don't see the option for your wallet, for your futures wallet. You only see cross margin and you see isolated. So what you do is click on cross margin. So now you can see it says cross margin, but under toe it says USDM futures wallet, which is the wallet we're trying to transfer out from. So now you click on where it says that, click on toe, click on spot wallet. Now you go back to where you selected from. As you can see, the USDM futures wallet is now available. So click on USDM futures wallet. So now we can transfer the amount we want to transfer. You can say max, or you put the amount you want to transfer out. Let's say confirm, transfer successful. Let's go back to spot wallet, USDT. You can see the fund has actually reflected on the spot wallet. That said, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, please give a thumbs up and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing short tutorials like this. Cheers.